Hello children. In our previous class we discussed about sowing. So now we will discuss about manure and fertilizer. Clear? What is manure? It is defined as a mixing of soil with manure. It helps in increasing soil fertility. This is organic, you can say organic. With the help of plant waste, animal waste, vegetable waste, we can make manure at our home. Fertilizer also play an important role in the production of the crop. These are added to the soil to maintain the fertility of the soil. Fertile soil is good for our crop because the crop will get maximum amount of nutrients from the fertile soil. See in the picture you can say these are organic waste. With the help of organic waste, by decomposing, who helps in decomposing? The microorganism care or plants animal waste. With that we can make the manure. See, manures are of three types. One is farmyard. It consists of cattle dung and urine. With that, when they make fertilizer. Next manure is compost. It is formed by the decomposition of plants and animals. If decomposition can be done in the presence of earthworm, it is known as vermicompost. If decomposition is done in the presence of bacteria, then it is known as bacterial compost. So compost is of two types. One is vermicompost, another one is bacterial compost. If with the help of earthworm we are making manure, then it is known as vermicompost. If with the help of bacteria we are making compost, then it is known as bacterial compost. Another one is green manure. It consists of decomposing leguminous plant like pea plant. Clear? Leguminous plant are the plant whose root have special bacteria. Pea plant has a special bacteria known as rhizobium bacteria, and that bacteria help in nitrogen fixation in the soil so that the other plant can grow easily on the soil. Advantage of manure are it adds nutrients to the soil, it adds hums to the soil, it improves the quality of the soil. Clear? Fertilizer are made in factories. So for example, NPK fertilizer, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium are there in that fertilizer. There are few differences are there between manure and fertilizer. In the book itself, in page number 7 also it has given, it is an organic substance. Manure is a organic substance, where a fertilizer it is an inorganic substance. Manure, it provides all the essential nutrients to the soil, but fertilizer, suppose NPK, it will provide nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, the specific nutrients. That means specific nutrients to the soil. Manure, its action is slow. Slowly it makes the soil fertile, but fertilizer, its action is fast. So nowadays maximum fertilizer are using so that we can get our production very fast. Manure adds hums to the soil, it doesn't add humus to the soil. Manure is required in very large number, it is required in very small number by small amount. Manure takes long period of time to show result. It shows result in a very less period of time and in a very fast way it is showing the result. Manure is difficult to store and transport. Fertilizer are easy to transport and easy to store. Manure is biodegradable, whereas fertilizer is non-biodegradable. Manure can be prepared in field, whereas fertilizers are prepared in laboratories. Clear children? These are the differences between manure and fertilizer. There are three types of manure we have already discussed. So in our next class we will discuss about irrigation. Clear?